Hello, how you going? Oh, okay, so instead of making the 4,000 other soaps I want to make, I was inspired to do an oatmeal milk and honey. So I'm making an oatmeal milk and honey. I've left this here for a reason. I'm just making a goat's milk soap basically with honey and oats in it. But I thought, well, I've got this great big bag of buttermilk. That's a spoon, don't worry about that. And I never use it for anything, and I love buttermilk. I love the smell of buttermilk. So what I've done was I took a couple of spoonfuls and I mixed it in with my goat's milk. So I just wanted to show you that. So, but yeah, so. And I have got very good. I'll drop a powder in there. Couple of spoonfuls of honey. Normal oils that I normally use. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it all straight in now before the lye, because honey makes it race to trace. So I figure when I put the lye in, it's probably gonna go stupid. So I will just pour the lye in and be able to just pour it straight in the mould, hopefully. So, or hopefully it will just not go too stupid, but you know, worst case scenario. Oh, yeah, not very clever. I'm also not using any fragrance because I don't have any oatmeal milk and honey fragrance anyway, and I don't like it, so no. No, seriously, it's just, I find it very, oh god, I forgot to clean my fingernails. Have a go at this. Is that like the most, that is not dirt, you know what that is? That's fabric. Oh, it's so bad because I've been sewing all day, all day. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since midnight. I've been sewing with black for hours and it's just everywhere. You can tell I've been sewing. Have a go at me. I'm not even sure what that is. Oh, that's oil I spilled on me before. But yes, that's what happens when you sew. You get what looks like dirty fingernails, but it's not. It's actually fabric, like it's fluff. Yes, next time a bit of fluff. Woo! I'm an idiot. Alright, well, let's see what happens with this. Like I said, there's 2 spoonfuls of honey, and when I say spoonfuls, I mean, oh, let's see how much mess I can make with this. I did 2 great big spoonfuls. So, we'll see what happens. Oh, dearie me. I've got so much more sewing to do. The markets are on Sunday, and this is my first time having the having my aprons. Funnily enough. And look what I'm wearing. An invisible apron. Woo! You know, it's just typical. Making aprons for everybody except myself. I do have one, it's dirty. I have 3 actually, I just don't know where the other 2 are. Alright. Okay, so here's me thinking I'll end up with soap on a stick. This is not bad at all. Have a look at this. No, it's not even really traced. It's gone a lovely shade of orange. I actually need the soap thicker than this because Is it my imagination, or is it just getting oranger and oranger and oranger? Because it's heating up. It really is getting more and more orange as we're standing here watching it. God, almost going to burst into flames. I need it reasonably thick because I'm going to put this on the top, so which is just bubble wrap. It's the least pop piece I could find. And I'm a bit stressed. This may have to go in the freezer. It's not that hot, actually. I mean, it's hot, but it's not that hot. Lovely shade of orange, though. Wondering if I split this batch up and put some titanium dioxide in one, I could do like a interesting swirl, hey? I wasn't going to do anything with it, I was just going to leave it plain, but because it's playing so well, I think I'll do something with it. Fine. Which one should I put titanium in? I'll do the little one. So yes, I was looking into doing a live feed today. Just the logistics of it all. Something interesting to do. In the future. That'll do. I'm sick of waiting. The most patient person am I. Like, yeah, whatever. It's not thick enough, but it's thick enough. I won't need to smell me because it doesn't have a smell. Although people are weird, so I'll make one anyway. You know, people often tell me they can smell through the plastic. I don't like to tell them they're full of shit to their faces, I just wait till they walk away. No, I'm sure they can, or think they can. I have a really good sense of smell, and I cannot smell soap through the plastic. Although a lot of times the plastic will break. Why do I have so much soap? Oh, fine, I have lots of soap. Yeah, it'll bust open a little hole or two when it's when I'm heat sealing them. When I'm shrink wrapping them. Dickhead. And yeah, so maybe the smell comes out there. Who knows? Honestly, who cares? Ah, dearie me. It's a wonderful shade of something. Not what I was expecting. That's for shit. Look at me lovely lump down here. You see him? No, not really. He's a very happy camper because he's just been fed. Well, no, he hasn't just been fed. He's just been, I've just pointed out the fact to him that he still had food left in his bowl. Mr. Senile Pussycat. Oh, why do I have so much soap? Seriously. No, seriously. I mean, I put some oatmeal in there, but I didn't put that much oatmeal in there. It was like 3 scoops of bloody oatmeal. I don't know what happened. Someone snuck in and put extra oil in my oil containers or something. I don't know what's going on. Because someone would do that. It was a ninja. Ooh, it'd be alright if it was rain. He was Ninja Assassin. Guys, if you haven't seen Ninja Assassin, you should see that movie. It's an oldie but a goodie. And it's got rain in it, and he's awesome. He's the awesomest of awesomes, and just got married and apparently very happy. Which I suppose you are when you first get married, until you realise how shit the other person is. Yes, I had a wonderful experience with marriage. No, I'm glad I did it. Just married the wrong person, that's all. Don't know if I'd ever do it again. Maybe if the right person came along, maybe I would. I am going to swirl this because I can. Alrighty. I just checked to make sure the video was on. After the other day. Oh dear. How brain dead was that? Although, in all honesty, it was not my fault. I pressed the record button. I did. I actually pressed the record button. But, you know, something happened and it didn't record, so it's not my fault. Oh, got a haircut yesterday. I'm so happy. Oh, I always know it's time to get a haircut. My hairdresser, she said that you always know when it's time to get a haircut when people start complimenting you on your hair. Well, in my case anyway. Because, you know, it was looking so normal. People were commenting on it. Saying, oh, it looks so nice. I'm like, no, it doesn't. So, yeah, so it's back to... Yeah, there you go. No hair again. Alright, so... How thick is this? It's pretty thick. I reckon this will be fine now. This is actually the first time I have used bubble wrap. It's one of those things I've been meaning to do for ages. But yeah, this one's really hot. I'm going to chuck it straight in the fridge. Actually, what the hell? Oh, so I just boiled the jug. Yeah, it's just something I've been wanting to do for a while. I just got inspired, but I'm in soap mode now, so I might make a couple of soaps, because honestly I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 soaps over there. No I don't. I have 14 fragrances over there that I want to try. Plus I've got those Russian tips that I still haven't had to play with. So, you know what I wish I had? Some little bees. Alright, that I think will be fabulous. It looks really cool. It's kind of marbly. Marbly, yeah, that's me with the words. Alright guys, I'll see you for the cutting. Bye. Hello. Look what I did. Look what I did. I erected it. Don't know why. I don't know why it was so soft on the corners, but all 4 corners are stuffed. Oh well, that's okay. It's only on the ends. Alrighty, let's cut this beastie. I've no idea how close that is. That looks about right. I put it in the fridge. It probably didn't need to go in the fridge. It never looked like it was going to overheat at any point, so yeah. No, the colour, isn't it a lovely colour? Just smells like goat's milk. Ooh, okay. Good thing I put it in the fridge. Look how hot it got. Oh yeah, that got some serious heat. There you go. Look at that. Top come out nice. I really like the top. Oh, it's very neat. Very neat. Yeah, that's it's gonna look good when it's finished. When it's finished. I don't sweat the gel anymore. I couldn't be bothered. It looks cool. The gel's good because it brings out the swirl anyway. So me no worries. Me no worries. And this one, gelled, it's still hot. I've actually just taken it out of the wooden mould, let it cool down a bit, but I'm pretty sure it's fully gelled because it's 30 friggin' degrees. I don't even know why it's so hot. It's just stupidly hot. It's what it is it's like 80 something. Oh god, no. Okay, it's 90 degrees. No, not 90 degrees. It's not 90 degrees. I'd be dead. It's no 90% humidity and yeah, 30 degrees. So it's stinking stupid hot because we've just had all that rain. So yes. All right. Well, that is my unfragranced oatmeal milk and honey soap. I'm pretty pleased with it. I'll post a picture after this, and yeah, possibly if I remember. I will, because I'll see this and when I'm editing it and go, oh, should add a picture. Alrighty, I'll see you for the next one. Bye.